So here's your first bullet point from the SQA's guidance, and it says define a record data structure and use this in the solution to a problem. Okay, so what we've got here is we've defined a suitable record structure to store the data. So remember, this was the previous video was about the scenarios, so this was to do with the movie database, so or the movie file that has the information about the title, studio, ratings and takings. So what we've got here is I'm just calling this data structure movie, and we're just saying, well, that's a type of data and that's essentially the field name. Okay, so title string, studio string, rating is a string, and takings is real. Although rating should be integer. Hey, nothing like making mistakes, which I'm glad I've actually found there. So that's it. You have to look over these things. Now, the reason why it's an integer is because it's a whole number. Reason why this is real, because there's a decimal point in it. Okay. Now, using this to declare a variable that can store data for 100 results. So we're calling this array top movies, and quite often they tell you, or they give you a strong hint what it should be called within the question. Okay, but if they don't, then just come up with a sensible name. Okay, so top movies, and it's an array of, now if it was an array, it's a 1D array, you're saying an array of string, an array of boolean, an array of integers, but you can actually have an array of the record, and the record that you used is movie. Okay, so this is an array of movies, or movie should I say, and you're initializing it to store no information in it, and you're saying there's going to be 100 elements because there's 100 movies, one for each movie. Okay, so this is how and so you'll be getting asked to declare this. Now, the second part of this is in a solution to a problem, so they might then ask you to use this in an array of records to solve a problem, i.e. to apply maybe a standard algorithm to it, but they've told you that algorithms that they're going to ask in this is going to be further down, probably in I'll keep the video short, so it'll be in another video, but this is the first bullet point: define a record structure and use this in the solution to a problem. Okay, so hopefully that's helped a bit.